How to see archived stories on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so first step is really important. What you want to do is after you open up your Facebook app right here, click on the menu icon at the bottom right. And from here, let's scroll down a bit and click on settings and privacy, and this menu will expand. Click on settings right here. Now this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, let's scroll down a bit and find the section that says your information, and under that would be the activity log. If you have trouble finding the activity log option, just click on this search button at the top right and search for activity log right here and click on it. From here, we can click on archive and immediately we can see the story archive option. And this is where you can basically see your archived stories on Facebook. You can click on them, you can save them and share it again right here. And that is how you can basically see archived stories on Facebook.